Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the Chrome button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the controls panel. And here you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like this. This is the screen brightness icon. And to adjust the screen brightness, tap on this icon. It will bring you to this menu. Now, if you want to adjust the brightness and make it basically stay at the brightness you set it to, you need to disable the auto brightness first. So disable auto brightness by tapping on A icon, and then you can adjust the brightness to your liking by swiping up and down on the slider. And once you're done adjusting, you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. Also, if you want to enable the auto brightness, simply open controls panel, tap on the brightness icon and tap on the A to enable it. If you're not sure if the auto brightness is enabled, you can see by looking at the icon right here on the controls panel. If the auto brightness is enabled, the icon will have the A on it, and if it's disabled, there won't be a letter on it. Okay, and that's how you adjust the screen brightness level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.